In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rocket Money for budgeting and savings. If you're new to Rocket Money or just need a bit of guidance, you're in the right place. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Rocket Money website. Make sure you're using a secure and familiar browser to ensure your information stays safe. Once on the site, you should see the Sign In button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click there and proceed to log in with your user credentials. If you haven't registered yet, you might need to sign up. But for today, we're concentrating on those who already have accounts. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Rocket Money dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center, and you'll find all the tools you need right here. For the purpose of budgeting, navigate over to the Budget section. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, so this should be quite seamless. It's usually located in one of the main menus or tabs, clearly labeled as Budgets. Click into the Budgets area, and here's where the real magic begins. You're going to want to create a new budget to track your spending and savings effectively. Look for the Add Budget button, which is typically easy to spot with clear branding to guide you. Once you click on it, you'll enter the setup page where you can customize your budget. Now, selecting a category for your budget is the next critical step. Rocket Money allows you to categorize your budget so it accurately reflects your financial lifestyle. You might choose categories like food, entertainment, transportation, or anything else that aligns with your financial goals. Having specific categories ensures you know exactly where your money is going. After you've chosen your category, it's time to set your budget limit. This is your opportunity to decide how much money you want to allocate monthly for this category. Be realistic and consider your income and other expenses when setting limits. Remember, the aim here is to develop a budget that helps you manage your finances better, so accuracy is key. Throughout this process, feel free to adjust and experiment with your budget settings. Rocket Money is designed to be flexible and user-friendly, so don't be afraid to make changes as your financial situation evolves. By keeping your budgets updated, you ensure that your financial strategy stays relevant and effective. And that's it. You've just set up a budget using Rocket Money, empowering yourself with better financial control and insight. By regularly monitoring and adjusting your budget through Rocket Money, you'll be able to manage your finances smarter, save more, and spend less. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.